Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the basics out of the way so the process won't be interrupted. First, charge the phone above 20% and connect to Wi-Fi. Then open Settings and use the search box. Type Security, Lock, or Safe Mode to jump straight to the right screen. If you can't find it, go to System or Lock Screen and Security. Android labels vary by maker. Knowing your model and Android version speeds things up, because menu names differ across manufacturers. Once you're in the security area, you'll remove the features that enforce security mode. Tap Device Admin Apps or Device Administrators and disable any admin that forces restricted mode. Next, check unknown sources or install unknown apps if an app triggered lockdown, toggle off or revoke permissions. If safe mode is active, reboot options follow. Press and hold the power button, then tap Restart. If prompted, enter your PIN or password to confirm. Make sure to note the current screen lock method. Finalize by rebooting and verifying that security mode is off and apps behave normally. Press and hold power, choose Restart, and watch for normal home screen elements. Icons and widgets should return. If the device still enforces restrictions, reboot into recovery to clear cache or uninstall recently installed apps causing the lock. If nothing works, back up your data and perform a factory reset as the last resort. Remember, a reset fixes persistent software locks but erases local data, so back up first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.